Hi everyone! Thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Ashlyn Cox, and I am going to be talking about the hot and popular device called the vape. Except, disclaimer, it's not hot, and it's not popular. And I'm going to let you know why. I once went on a date with a boy from my high school who vaped. He took me to dinner, and it was a fun night. As we drove to the restaurant, we chatted and were talking about school. Between every 3 or 4 words, he'd take a hit of his vape and look at me to make eye contact as I spoke, and he would blow it right into my face. Not hot. The truth is, he was a very nice guy, and I didn't judge him for vaping, but I didn't find it attractive. It didn't make me think he was any more popular. He made a joke about not being able to run as long because his lungs couldn't handle it anymore. This proves to me that vaping, just because it may be the in thing to do right now, doesn't make you more attractive. It actually just makes you more unhealthy. The CDC tells us that nicotine can harm the developing adolescent brain. The brain keeps developing until about age 25. Using nicotine in adolescence can harm the parts of the brain that control attention, learning, mood, and even impulse control. It also harms your lungs. Let me tell you another reason why you shouldn't vape. Another common substance found in e-liquid, or produced when it's heated up, may also pose a risk to the lungs. These include formaldehyde. This toxic chemical can cause lung disease and contribute to heart disease. Acrolein is most often used as a weed killer, but this chemical can also damage lungs. Some vape users can even develop popcorn lung. This is caused from the diacetyl found in the vape juice. This is what makes the vape taste. Inhaling diacetyl causes inflammation and may lead to permanent scarring in the smallest branches of the airways, popcorn lung, which makes breathing difficult. Popcorn lung has no lasting treatments, but the symptoms are coughing, wheezing, chest pain, and shortness of breath. I want to spread the word about the dangers of vaping and let everyone, especially teenagers, know that vaping really isn't cool. It isn't cool to pressure others into vaping either. Do what you can to teach others about the dangers of vaping, and let's help each other stay away from it. Let's stand up against vaping.